Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are not, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to make this wrapped wire loop. The materials we are going to use: 2 chain nose pliers, a round nose pliers, a flush cutter, a bead, it can be any size bead, and 1 head pin. And there's a link in the description box on how you can make this head pin. To begin, place your bead onto the head pin. So the next thing that you are going to do, you are going to take your chain nose pliers and grip the wire right above the bead. Then bend the wire away from you like this. Then you are going to use your round nose pliers to grip the wire right above the bend. Next, you are going to pull the wire around the pliers. Then readjust your pliers, then pull the wire all the way to the other side. Then you are going to use your chain nose pliers to grip the loop. Then use the next chain nose pliers to wrap the wire around until you get to the bottom. So when you can see a small gap between the bead and the wraps that you've done, that is where you're going to cut the wire. Then you are going to use your chain nose pliers to squeeze the end down. And if it is not centered, what you can do is insert your round nose pliers back into the loop to correct it. And this is how you can connect it with a jump ring. And you're done. Thanks for watching.